Hi, in Video Guru today I'm going to show you how to reverse a video. So in this video we're going to see somebody jumping off a cliff, and here we go. Boosh, in the water. So we go down on the bottom, we tap on the timeline, then we go down to the bottom, and then you've got the reverse there on the timeline. Wait for it to render, and once it's rendered you can watch the video with a chap jumping out of the water and going back magically onto the cliff. So you can do some great things with reversing videos. You can put splits into them so that when somebody's walking along a road and then all of a sudden the crowd starts to walk in reverse. So please like and subscribe to watch more videos.